Hey guys, I got another Amazon find today. A mini electric chainsaw. Is it worth it or is it whack? Let's see what this little guy can do. We're gonna open her up, see what's involved. Got a nice durable case here. We got inside, we got a user manual. Got a pair of gloves. Got a pair of safety glasses. Looks like we have an extra chain. Look at that little guy. Looks like something that you get from Bob the Builder package, you know? Remember that back in the day, Bob the Builder? Yes, I can do it. Yes, he can. Got ourselves here the charger. And we got ourselves 2 batteries that come with this unit. 21-volt lithium batteries. There's Tomy Vic. Comes with a little screwdriver for tension control. Another little device for tension control. And we have a little bottle here for the oil for the chain. I'm going to use some DeWalt bar chain oil. And none of these are sponsors. Just something I found on Amazon that I know that works decently. The oil anyways. Apply a little bit here in the bottle. That's all ready to go. We're going to use the gloves since the gloves came with the device. We're going to use these fancy safety glasses. Do I look good? Alright. We're going to apply the battery. You got a safety control here. You have to push the safety control and then push the trigger. If you just push the trigger, it won't do nothing for safety reasons actually. So, safety. Let's try cutting the table. No, I was kidding. We ain't going to cut the table. But anyways, let's run out here and start cutting some stuff. Come on, follow me. So yeah, we're gonna go over here because there's a tree that I've been wanting to take down, so it'd be a good way to try this bad boy out here. It looks like here though, you take this oil here and you apply it onto the chain like so. We're going to take that, we're going to keep that in our pocket here. But we're going to try it here on this tree, see how good this does. Let's give it a whirl. All right.
seems to be doing pretty good. See if we can get this base down. Let's see how good it does down here at the bottom. Hey, not too shabby. I'm not going to complain about that. That's pretty big. It's a pretty big size there. Let's take it over here and let's see how it does on the little limbs. Usually on little limbs, they like to vibrate. As you can see, we got plenty of little limbs. Looks like a good spot here. Okay, that's going through pretty quick. Tomy Vic, I give you 2 thumbs up. You're worth it.